Shalom, shalom, shalom. This is your boy Yael Ezra Ben Living, coming at you again with another quick video. What I want to talk about today is our lack of unity. There's a reason why we don't have a strong community, why we don't have strong unity, why we're not unified as a people. We could talk about the European Jew all we want. People will say, but they're not the real chosen people. They're not bloodline Israelites. You can say whatever you want. But one thing can be said. They are unified as a people. They have strong community ties. While we are just the opposite. Now, I will not say that there are not pocket groups or cells of smaller communities that do not function. That do function in unity and being there for one another. But what I am talking about is corporately. Corporately, we are fragmented. We are broken. We love division. We love strife. We love slander. We love gossip. Everything that is negative, that has no life in it. Many of our people seem to gravitate to it. But when it comes to unifying, we are ready to go to war to hold up our stance. We are ready to call out the other person as fake, phony, or whatever because they don't believe like me. They don't see things like me. But I can tell you right now, that is one of the main reasons why we can't come together and do anything of true significance. Because we are so divided. But see, people got these camp mentalities. But I have to let you know, when Israel broke into camps, each camp didn't have their own doctrine. They simply broke into camps according to tribes. They didn't break into camps according to tribes and taught their own versions of Torah. They didn't have their own Sabbaths. They didn't have their own holy days that they kept. Israelite, when she was in her righteousness and walking according to Torah, they kept the same Sabbath. The feast days were the same. So there's just really no other way to say it. Corporately, we are broken. Many of us love to say we're Israel. We love to say we're the chosen of the Most High. But when it comes down to actually putting in the work, when it comes time to actually do the very thing that we talk about, make videos about, when it comes time to bring it to fruition, time to bring it to life, we're all talk. And like I said before, I'm not saying everyone, but I am speaking of corporately, we are broken. And if that does not change soon, I don't know what lies in store for this generation. What will this generation of Israelites see? What will be before us if we don't come together? What will be our portion? And we will have no one to blame but ourselves. This is your boy Yael Ezra Ben Living. Shalom.